Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Idris. Today we have 2016, 14, 13, 14, 15, 16 is the same Ford Focus, Ford Escape. The car was driving and suddenly shut off. It happened again also, it shut off 2 times. I think that maybe a security or anything, he left, he come back again, he cranked and the car start. It happened like 2 times. Now, just to put some information that this car, the security for all cars, the security will not shut down the car. It will stop you from starting the car. But as soon as you start the car while you're driving, the security will not cause the car to shut down while the car is driving, because security is just like a password. If you put a key here, if you put a metal key next to this one like this and you start the car and you take this one away, the car will never shut off. But if you turn it off, you cannot start it again. So let's use our Ford diagnosis system and see if there is anything that related to car is shutting off. Okay. We are using FGDS. The car is running now. Ford Focus. That's yesterday we did a transmission for it. I'm gonna delete this session. I'm gonna start a new diagnosis and try to be sure that this is a car. Now I'm testing everything. After that I will diagnose all the car. Ford Escape or Kuga, K-U-G-A. Okay, if you have anything to do, I see that that's the VIN number. I will go in the top. I will go to self-test. You're gonna ask me what module. I say I wanna program all modules. Continue DTC. Okay, do we have any problem? Everything pass here. Engine computer pass. On the body control module, we have lane signal invalid. Bus line. Passenger door central locking. This one will not shut the car. This one will not shut the car. BCM. Lost communication with the camera. It will not. All this will not do anything. There is nothing that can cause this car to shut down. Battery terminal clean. Battery terminal is good.
Yeah.
Everything is good. There is no reason for us to say anything. I don't see anything that say look like crankshaft sensor or camshaft sensor or anything.
Yeah, because it's nothing. I don't think it's nothing like that. Because when she like I say,
Maybe
one
of this is 20.
just the lights comes on, but nothing. It doesn't go anything like.
It doesn't want to crank.
Yeah. But after it cools down, maybe like you say, I don't know, and then like a little while, then she comes and start, and the car start.
Yeah. It could be also the computer have a problem too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think this car.
Yeah. 20.
When the computer start failing, was.
Yeah, like shut or computer could be BCM. Okay, body control module. Let me see this code. Yeah, the BCM, if the BCM have relay command and we lost the body control module communication, it can say that. Anyhow, whatever is here, I'm going to clean it. And then we see if there is something going to come. I never see it shut down by itself in this car. But also check, say, open the hood. No, open this place here. Because as I told you, just visual inspection. You know the computer is located here. Visual computer is here. It's in this area. Computer is located there under the. It have a big. You see it there? Is this where it's going? Computer is there. Other than that, sometimes coil also can do that. Okay?
One coil?
I said coil also can do that sometimes. But I don't see anything. Temperature, everything look good. This car have an accident before? No.
No.
No. Okay. You can't say nothing now? Hey, I can't say nothing. Here. This is there. Just try to, you just have to narrow down the problem till you can come to a conclusion. There is nothing more than that. I can't see nothing. I clear all the codes. All the code go away. One code is still here. Lost communication with the camera module. But that's not a big issue. Okay. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please subscribe and share and see you in another video.